Hello Pine Lake, I am back with a few sweet experiments that you can try at home during our time with e-learning. While I do my best to eat healthy, many of you know that I have a serious sweet tooth. You can always find candies or chocolates in and around my house. My grandmother always had little candy dishes in her home, and I seem to have picked up that habit from her. But did you know that there are all kinds of experiments that you can do with the candy that you have around your house? Let's start with the traditional Peep. We see them at almost every holiday, but we especially see them around this time of year for Easter. Now you might already know the trick about putting a Peep in the microwave, but we'll get to that later. I want to put a Peep in the oven instead. Depending on your age and skill level, you may need an adult for this experiment. All you will need is Peeps marshmallow candy, or you can even use plain old marshmallows. You will also need a baking sheet lined with aluminum foil and an oven. So you want to preheat your oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the Peep marshmallow on the baking sheet and place it in the preheated oven. Now you're going to want to check on the marshmallow every 10 minutes or so and then remove it after about an hour and let it cool. Well, it looks like this. So what happens? Marshmallows are made of sugar, gelatin, and water. When you heat one up in the microwave or on high heat, the water turns into steam and puffs up the marshmallow. This one I just put in the microwave, and as you can see, it's pretty puffy. It's also deflated a little bit since it's left the microwave, but it's still really gooey. But when you heat it in an oven on low heat, you can evaporate the water without destroying the marshmallow. Our second graders should remember that hot and cold temperatures can change the state of many matters. Water is the most common one we use to describe these changes because it can go from a liquid to a solid to a gas and back again. It's what we call a reversible change. Unfortunately for us, the changes we made to the Peep by applying slow, low heat is hard to change. So I guess we will just have to get a fresh one to munch on. So good. I mean, we deserve it, right? But let's take a look at these out of the oven. Can you hear that? It's almost like the water has evaporated. It's really hard now. See if you can see that on the inside. And like I said, all the water has evaporated, so the only thing that's left is sugar and gelatin. Let's see how they taste. Actually, I kind of like it. It kind of tastes like astronaut food. And it kind of keeps the same shape as our Peep. It just gets a little bit bigger and a little harder. I hope you enjoyed the first of many candy experiments that we will be doing at home. I will see you next week, but in the meantime, keep experimenting.